Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'm going to show you how to clear the history of your Google Chrome. Are you ready? Let's get started. Open your Google Chrome browser. Okay, and then click on the right side on three dots. Click, then choose history, and then after that click on history. Once you clicked, these are the history of your browser, what you searched, what you watched, everything is here. How you can clear, for example, I want to clear WhatsApp, I want to clear this one, this one, this one. Just select the thing you want to delete, and then after that click on delete, and then after that remove. As you can see, that's it. I hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with that. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.